On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, it's about operators in TypeScript. Arithmetic operators and comparison operators. You can learn about logical operators by running actual code. You can also check what results when comparing different types. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Please make use of it. Operators in TypeScript are used to perform numerical calculations, value comparisons, and logical operations. Since TypeScript uses similar operators to JavaScript, they are easy to get used to, but TypeScript allows for more rigorous operations using type safety. The main operators are as follows. Arithmetic operators are used for numerical calculations. Assignment operators assign the value on the right to the variable on the left. Comparison operators compare values and return true or false. Logical operators are used to combine logical expressions. In TypeScript, logical operators are usually evaluated in the order of not first, followed by and finally, or. Not is a unary operator and is evaluated with the highest precedence. And has a higher precedence than or, so the and portion is evaluated first. As a result, the and part is computed first, and its result is passed to or. In TypeScript, and or perform short-circuit evaluation. If the result is determined by the left-hand value, the right-hand expression is not evaluated. In both cases, console.log is not executed. Using parentheses to explicitly group expressions can prevent misunderstandings about precedence. When using logical operators, it is important to be aware of ambiguities in natural language. For example, in the phrase, a white dog or a cat, it could mean either a white dog or any cat, or a white dog or a white cat. In code, it can be written as follows. Since natural language can be ambiguous, caution is required when coding and designing systems. Bitwise operators manipulate numbers at the bit level. The ternary operator returns different values based on the result of a conditional expression. TypeScript's type operators include the following. Type operators are used to check the type of a value or convert it to a specific type. The type of operator returns the type of a variable. The instance of operator checks if an object belongs to a specific class. The is operator is used to check if a value is of a specific type. It is part of TypeScript's type guards. In TypeScript, these operators can be used to write complex calculations and conditional expressions efficiently. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to enjoy more content, please subscribe to the channel.